Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is action status. In Salesforce, Apex action status component is used in Visualforce pages to display the status of an AJAX request, such as when an AJAX operation is initiated and completed. It provides a way to show visual feedback, loading indicators, success messages to the user during an asynchronous operation, helping improve the user experience. Works well with Ajax enabled components for partial page updates without requiring full page refreshes. Key features: it allows us to specify different messages or indicators during the start and completion of an action, typically used with Ajax enabled components like Apex command button, Apex command link, or Apex action support. Let's see an example where a user can submit a form asynchronously. User wants to show a loading message while the form is processing and a success message once it's complete. Explanation: form submission. The user enters a name into the input field and clicks the submit button. Command button. The Apex command button triggers the form submission asynchronously and re-renders the output panel on completion. Action status. The start test attribute submitting is displayed when the button is clicked and the Ajax request starts. The stop text attribute done is displayed after the form submission is completed. Output panel. Once the action is completed, the output panel shows the submitted name. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Apex class and Visualforce pages, we need to click on Setup Gear icon, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab, click File, New, Apex class. Here I am creating the Apex class by the name Visualforce Action Status. Click OK. So in this Apex class, we are taking the name of a string type and public void submit action method, simulate form submission process. Creating the Visualforce page by clicking the File, New, Visualforce page. Creating the Visualforce page by the name Visualforce Action Status. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, we are calling the Apex class Visualforce Action Status by using controller. In S2 tag, submit form with loading indicator, Apex form ID my form, input fields. For this, we are taking Apex output label, intern name, for input name, passing ID input name, value name, command button with action status, Apex command button, value submit, action, submit action, re-render output panel, action status, start text, submitting, stop text, done, ID status. Closing the command button, output panel to show results, Apex output panel, ID output panel, in P tag submitted name, and here we are passing the name, closing output panel, form and page. Save the Visualforce page and click on preview button. So here we are seeing submit form with loading indicator what we had provided in the h2 tag, intern name if I am entering any name, demo, and clicking on submit button, submitted name demo. Like this we are using action status. Thank you.